Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Loom to create recruiter-friendly video intros for LinkedIn. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, ensure you have a Loom account. Visit the Loom website or download the Loom app on your device. If you don't have an account, sign up with your email or connect through a Google account. Once logged in, locate the new video button, typically found in the top right corner. Click on it to begin recording your video. Choose the recording option that suits your needs. You can select to record your screen, your camera, or both simultaneously. If you decide to record your screen, you will have the option to share your entire screen or just a specific application window. For a recruiter-friendly video intro, consider using the camera option to create a more personal touch. Before starting the recording, take a moment to check your camera and microphone settings. You can adjust these settings in the Loom app preferences. When you're ready, click on the Start Recording button. Take a deep breath and introduce yourself succinctly. Mention your name, current role, and what you are looking for in your next opportunity. Keep your tone professional yet approachable to engage recruiters effectively. Use anecdotes or examples from your experience to highlight your skills and uniqueness. As you wrap up, mention that you look forward to connecting on LinkedIn. Once you finish, click on the Stop Recording button. Loom will process your video, which usually takes just a few moments. After processing, you will be taken to the video playback screen. Here, you can review your video and make any necessary adjustments. If you're satisfied with the result, click on the Share button. You will see options to copy the link or share directly to LinkedIn. To share on LinkedIn, choose the LinkedIn option and follow the prompts. After sharing, consider writing a thoughtful post along with your video link on LinkedIn. Engage with any comments or messages you receive to maximize your outreach. Keep your profile updated to reflect any new achievements or skills. And that's it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.